We begin tonight with the coronavirus pandemic. 731 new cases reported today. That is by far the largest daily increase we've seen since the outbreak. More than 500 of those coming from the community. That brings our total to more than 3,700 active cases. And with the rise in cases, local businesses are deciding whether or not to move forward with opening their dining rooms. Our Alexis Wainwright talked with some owners tonight and joins us live with more. Alexis.
Yeah, that's right, Mallory. The state of Arkansas continues to see a rise in COVID-19 cases, and as that continues, local restaurants like the one here behind me plan on not opening their dining rooms yet.
When I saw today's numbers, even yesterday, I was quite alarmed. It just solidified my decision that it's too early.
A firm decision not to move forward with reopening their dining room from Cappy Peck, the co-owner and chef of local restaurant Trios in Little Rock. This after Arkansas announced its biggest increase yet in coronavirus cases Friday.
We've chosen not to reopen for phase 2. We're just doing curbside pickup and delivery.
Peck says they were one of the first to close their dining room months ago. And although it's labor-intensive packing everything to go, they'll continue to do so.
I realize that a lot of these cases are in northwest Arkansas, but some are in Pulaski County, and we are a state. We travel around. We move from county to county, and I'm concerned about asymptomatic cases.
Meanwhile,
we decided to open outside.
There are still concerns about COVID-19 at Flyway in North Little Rock, but they're making sure they sanitize and wear masks. They also found creative ways to stay open and continue business.
So we put a bunch of tents in the parking lot and big tables underneath. It keeps everybody socially distanced and safe.
They call it Flyaway Tent City.
It's just been one idea after another, and I think when we come out of the end of this, there's going to be a lot of the things that we started doing that we'll still do.
Now, Dr. Nate Smith with the Department of Health says only 2% of the active cases have reported going to restaurants within the last 2 weeks. Peck says that she'll be patient about this and hopefully tries to open in July. She says she's noticed a lot of people have been cavalier when it comes to wearing masks and social distancing. Reporting live in Little Rock, Alexis Wainwright, KRK 4 News. Mallory?
Alexis, thank you. A team from